Feeling like dating is a never-ending game of almost but not quite? Swipe, match, ghost, repeat. Is that your current dating cycle? Does the constant string of awkward first dates and confusing mixed signals leave you questioning your self-worth? Hold on, lovelorn warriors, because I'm here to bust a myth. You're not broken, the dating world is. From the tyranny of endless choices to the pressure to settle for anything but singlehood, the modern dating landscape throws curveballs that would stump even the smoothest operator. Don't let the frustration fool you. It's not you, it's the system. So before you pack away your virtual roses and declare love officially dead, join me on a journey to unmask the culprits behind your dating woes. Buckle up, singles, because it's time to rewrite the narrative and reclaim your dating mojo. Remember, hitting that subscribe button and smashing the notification bell keeps you in the loop for more empowering insights and strategies to navigate the dating battlefield with confidence. Let's do this! Number 1, the tyranny of choice. Picture this. You're in a supermarket, not facing the usual aisles stocked with a couple of hundred options, but a sprawling labyrinth overflowing with millions of products. Every brand, every flavor, every variation imaginable bombards your senses. Welcome to the overwhelming reality of online dating. Swiping through endless profiles, each promising a glimpse into someone new, can leave you feeling more lost than ever. Here's why. This abundance of choice, while seemingly empowering, can be deeply paralyzing. We get stuck in a cycle of comparison, swiping right on someone simply because the one hasn't appeared yet, even if they spark lukewarm interest at best. The carefully curated profiles, portraying seemingly perfect lives, fuel the flames of our own insecurities, making us feel inadequate next to the highlight reels of others. But remember, this tyranny of choice is an illusion. The key lies in embracing mindful selectivity. It's okay to have standards, to know what you value in a potential partner. Prioritize quality connections over quantity. Don't get swept away by the sheer number of options. Focus on those profiles that genuinely pique your interest, that resonate with your values and desires. Remember, meaningful connections rarely blossom from a frantic swipe-a-thon. They thrive on intentionality and genuine interest. So curate your experience, be discerning, and don't let the overwhelming abundance cloud your judgment or dim your inner glow. This dating supermarket might be vast, but your happiness shouldn't be defined by the sheer number of aisles you wander through. Choose wisely, choose authentically, and choose with your heart, not just your thumbs. Number 2, the cult of perfection. Imagine scrolling through a dating app gallery, bombarded with impossibly sculpted bodies, meticulously staged adventures, and witty bios penned by professional wordsmiths. It's enough to make you feel like your slightly unkempt selfie and love for cat videos suddenly pale in comparison. But hold on, lovelorn friend, because this curated perfection is a carefully constructed illusion, not reality. The reality check. Social media and dating apps have become masters of portraying highlight reels, not real reels. Filters smooth wrinkles, angles hide flaws, and witty captions are often the work of strategic editing, or ghostwriters. This meticulously crafted perfection fosters a dangerous comparison game, making you believe you need to morph into someone else to attract love. But here's the truth. The right person won't fall for a carefully constructed facade. They'll fall for the authentic you, the one with laugh lines earned from genuine smiles, passions that might not be Instagram-worthy, and quirks that make you uniquely you. Embrace the imperfect. Instead of chasing an impossible ideal, celebrate your individuality. Let your profile reflect your true self, even if it means ditching the professional photo shoot and showcasing your love for cat videos with pride. Someone who appreciates the real, you are far more valuable than someone who's hooked on a filtered fantasy. Remember, authenticity is magnetic. When you embrace your true self, flaws and all, you attract people who connect with the real you, not a carefully constructed image. So put down the filter, put on your most genuine smile, and step into the dating world with confidence. The right person will fall in love with the beautiful imperfections that make you, you. Number 3, the ghosting epidemic. Ghosting, that chilling silence after a promising connection, the unanswered texts hanging. In the digital void, the feeling of being dropped into an emotional black hole with no explanation. It's a modern dating epidemic that leaves us hurt, confused, and questioning our self-worth. But here's the truth. Ghosting is not about you, it's about them. Imagine pouring your energy into getting to know someone, sharing laughs, making plans, and then, poof, they vanish, leaving you with a trail of unanswered messages and a gnawing sense of rejection. It's easy to internalize this silence, wondering what you did wrong, replaying every conversation, searching for some hidden flaw that caused them to disappear. But stop right there. Ghosting is a reflection of immaturity, disrespect, and a blatant disregard for your feelings. It's a cowardly way to avoid difficult conversations, a sign of someone who lacks the emotional intelligence to handle closure or simply doesn't value your time and effort. Remember, someone who truly values you, even if they decide you're not a match, will communicate openly and with respect. Don't let the actions of someone who can't even offer a basic courtesy define your experience. Instead, focus on building connections with people who prioritize clear communication and emotional maturity. Surround yourself with individuals who show up authentically, value your time, and have the courage to have honest conversations even if they're uncomfortable. Remember, ghosting is not a reflection of your worth. It's a red flag about their character, not yours. So hold your head high, dust yourself off, and keep searching for genuine connections with people who deserve the amazing person you are. And hey, if you ever encounter a ghost, don't waste your energy chasing phantoms. Move on to someone who values your presence and celebrates your light. You deserve that and much more. Number 4, the societal siren song. Imagine walking through a bustling marketplace, bombarded by vendors hawking their wares. Each shouts the loudest, promising happiness and fulfillment, urging you to buy, buy, buy. This, my friends, is the pressure to settle in the dating world. Society, like those insistent vendors, throws around messages like biological clock ticking, incomplete without a partner, and the ever-looming spinster label. It creates a fear of missing out, a sense that being single is somehow a failure or a mark of inadequacy. This pressure can be immense, pushing you to accept relationships that don't resonate, simply to quiet the external noise. But here's the truth. Settling is a recipe for long-term unhappiness. Think of it like squeezing into ill-fitting shoes. Sure, they technically cover your feet, but they pinch, rub, and leave you limping through life. A relationship built on societal pressure, not genuine connection, will do the same to your emotional well-being. Remember, your worth is not defined by your relationship status. You are a complete and valuable individual, worthy of love and fulfillment on your own terms. Don't let the societal clock drown out your inner voice. Take the time to discover what truly brings you joy. Cultivate self-love and chase experiences that light you up from within. Instead of settling for the first available option, imagine this. Choosing to be single is choosing growth. It's time for self-discovery, for setting healthy boundaries, and for learning what you truly desire in a partner. It's creating a foundation of self-love and respect that will attract someone who complements your journey, not defines it. So the next time you feel the societal pressure to settle, remember, your happiness matters more than any external timeline. Choose authenticity, choose self-love, and choose a relationship that sets your soul on fire, not one that extinguishes your unique spark. Number 5, the blurring of lines and misaligned expectations. The modern dating landscape throws around terms like situationship, open relationship, and ghosting with casual abandon, often leaving people unsure of what they're actually getting into. This lack of clarity and misaligned expectations can lead to confusion, hurt feelings, and wasted time. Imagine someone looking for a committed relationship connecting with someone who just wants casual encounters. The initial interactions might be fun, but eventually, the mismatch in desires becomes glaring, leading to disappointment and frustration. Remember, communication is key. Don't be afraid to have open and honest conversations about your expectations early on. It might feel awkward initially, but it saves heartache and wasted time in the long run. Be clear about what you want and don't compromise your values just to fit into someone else's definition of a relationship. By understanding these signs and recognizing that the problem often lies with the dating culture itself, you can approach dating with more confidence and self-compassion. Remember, you're not broken, you're just navigating a complex and sometimes confusing landscape. Stay true to yourself, your values, and what you truly desire in a relationship. And hey, if you ever feel lost or discouraged, remember this community is here to support you. So there you have it. 4 reasons why the dating world might be making you feel broken, when it's really the system itself that's flawed. Remember, you are worthy of love, connection, and respect. Don't let the challenges of the dating world discourage you. Keep your heart open, stay true to yourself, and focus on building healthy, fulfilling relationships. And hey, if you enjoyed this empowering message and want to explore more ways to navigate the dating world with confidence, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, we can create a more positive and authentic dating experience for everyone.